open up my Google Drive app right here. It's already opened up. I have a interactive whiteboard folder at the very top where I keep all my documents that I want to open. And right now I'm going to open up this proportional reasoning. So I click on the three dots. I click open with and whiteboard. A little bit of time to load. Then here it was a couple pages long, and so here's my first page. To get to the next page, you just press the arrows over. You can zoom up and show examples. If I need to add a whiteboard page or a blank page, I can just click on add a blank page, and I can write all over that, and then even go back to my work.
Why open digital files in the Whiteboard app? This supports managing multiple classes and class periods. Annotations you add remain saved on the Whiteboard page so you can return to them later. It automatically saves your changes to each page so you can reopen and continue working anytime. And the Whiteboard tools and features can be used and added directly to your pages.
So one of the ways that this helps, I teach 4 classes of Math 7, and so I teach the same class over and over again. And so I'm able to open up the document, and if I have examples, I needed some more extra space so that I was able to show some more examples on here. And then I'm able to have the examples up here. If I want to delete them really quickly, I can go through and erase the entire thing. If I want to pull them up again, I can do this, and it just makes it so I can save all of this work. This is stuff that we did 2 weeks ago, and I'm still able to pull it up after the fact, or I'm able to erase it and start it over to show examples with my next class as well.